Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Fashion Iksha. Hi everyone, in this video we are learning how to fix a button to your shirts. Take two strands of thread, knot it at the edge. From the mark on the reverse side, insert a needle from the reverse side. Okay, once you insert the needle from the reverse side, keep the button on top neatly. So once this is done, so you have 4 holes, insert it in the X mark in the diagonal direction like crisscross. In the same way, when you are inserting, insert it on the same mark, don't change the mark to have a neat finish. So please follow the mark on the mark itself. Repeat the same at least 3 times on the same marking. You can see the needle and inserting it in the buttonhole, and I completed 3 times. And now again from the same direction, take the needle up, you can see, and then insert it in the other hole next to that itself. You can see now, take it, pull it up and insert it in the other hole diagonally, so it comes in a X mark direction, and insert it in the same hole, pull it up, and I am repeating it in a 3rd time again. You can see, fixing it and fix it. You can see the finishing in a X mark direction. And once this is done, on the reverse side also you can see in only in the one place. Okay, so that's how it will be. And from this there is a little gap over here. From this gap itself, insert a needle on the reverse side and take it up just by catching a few threads of the fabric. Take it up and put a knot. Now you can see the reverse side finishing and only at the place, and on the right side finishing. So this is a one method of fixing a button. Now let's learn another one method of fixing a button. So now you can see again I have taken 4 strands and secured the ends by knotting, and bring the needle up from the reverse side on the mark, whatever the mark that you have done. Okay, so once this is done, as there are 4 holes, insert needle from the one hole from the top side that you can see. So insert it to the down. Right? When you are inserting, again make sure that you are inserting next to that. So if you are finding a difficulties to insert it, so loosen it up. First insert a needle into the button first, and then loosen it up and insert again at the very next to that thread itself, and pull it down. So you can see on top, and then you can see on the bottom it's very close. Really taken it and again insert it from the same position. When you are inserting, you can see where exactly that you are inserting it up. See, you can see this. So very closely taking it up, and again insert it in the same way. See, if I insert it directly, so for example if I insert it directly, you can see the gap. Okay, avoid this gap so that even on the reverse side it looks neater. So that is the only reason, and we are not inserting directly just like this. When you are inserting, make sure that you are inserting, first insert it from only in the buttonhole, and then insert it again next to the stitch. Then same thing you repeat it for the another 1 time. Again take the needle and then insert it on the next to that itself. So now bring the needle from this hole. So for that, insert it in the next to that itself. When you are inserting, make sure that you are inserting, you can turn the button and see, and then take the needle up first and insert it to a button hole, and continue the same again. Take it out. So when you insert, you can see, so where exactly it is coming up. The same way, insert it and pull a thread firmly, and again continue the same. From this itself, insert it, take the needle up first and then insert it in the button, and again take the needle from the button itself and then insert it. This is a method in order to fix the button neatly. This is a step by step that I am teaching so that you will be able to understand much better in order to finish the button or fix the button in a neater way. That's the only concern that I am doing it in a step by step. So you can see on the reverse side as well. Once this is done, on the reverse side itself, just catch a few threads of the fabric and put a knot. Edge itself. Okay, now you can see how it looks. Okay, this is on the right side of that button, and the wrong side of the garment that you can see just a point of finishing. You can see a dot or a pointed structure. And the other method, crisscross method of fixing a button, on the right side and on the wrong side. So this way that you can fix the button neatly. Thank you.